I want to talk to you about 3 topics packed in one presentation. So flexible software ecosystem, a marketplace, and a hybrid AI vision system. So hopefully it fits in the 20 minutes. So what is the agenda for today? What we are trying to cover, so what kind of questions? So first I want to talk with you about a typical way of solving vision problems today from a developer point of view. Second topic is the advantage of a hybrid AI vision solution. So why do I need it? And after that, we are coming to challenges of the development and deployment systems. So, and after that, we're covering how to pick and choose the right combination of AI and rule-based algorithms. And last but not least, can a flexible ecosystem really cover and solve these challenges?